Available natin ngayon, Hilux, bagong model natin, Hilux 2016 to 2023 model. So ito yung bagong design natin. So pakita natin yung sequential po ito. So once na nag-open, yung park light at running lights, ganito po yan. May sequence po siya, sorry. Medyo mag-fade ng konti and then mag-normalize yung ilaw. Ganyan po yung park light or running lights. So brake light. Full, kasama yung gilid po yan ha. Nakita po ninyo. Kasama yung gilid. And then, reverse. Signal light pala, sorry. Ano yung signal light ko? Signal light at hazard. Then, si reverse. Sa may gitna po yung reverse niya. Again, pailawin natin ulit yung sequential ni park light or running lights. May konting fading effect bago mag-normalize yung ilaw. Right? Right, G?